Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Now I'll start this period with your attendance. Yes. Let me take your attendance. Children, all of you know, all of you are aware that tomorrow you have your PTM.
Good morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm here.
Online classes tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yes, there'll be no classes. Tomorrow you have your PTM.
Ma'am, so there was online PTM, no?
Yes, it is online PTM. I posted
Ma'am,
the
today will be-
slots. Listen, beta, listen. I posted all the slots of when you have to attend the online PTM. Okay?
Ma'am, I'm on 4th slot.
Tell us the marks.
Tell us the marks today only. What will you do tomorrow in the PTM then?
Ma'am, yesterday you will send the PDF of marks.
Yes, you'll be told your marks tomorrow. You'll be shown your report card.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, personal number.
ma'am, tomorrow is no class.
Yes, beta?
Ma'am, tomorrow is no class.
Tomorrow
Yes.
there'll be no class because you'll be attending your PTM from 9 o'clock. The PTM will start at 9 o'clock. And children, in case, listen to me. If any parents are working and they want to attend the PTM early, they can attend. Okay? If suppose your mother goes out for work, your father goes out for work and they want to attend. Beta, let me speak first. Let me speak and then raise your hand and ask your query. In case your parents are working and they leave the house at 10, but your slot is coming at 11, then there is no problem. Your parents can attend the meeting early in the morning. Okay? At 9 o'clock, they can join the meeting. Is that fine? But all of you have to attend the meeting. It is compulsory for everyone. Yes, Arav.
Ma'am, I'm slot 1.
Yes, of course, you will be slot 1. Why? Because you
Ma'am,
are
tomorrow-
double A.
Ma'am, tomorrow is Saturday, and ma'am, tomorrow is no class, and ma'am, next day is Sunday. The Sunday will be also holiday.
Yes, of course, it will be a holiday. Why, Mishti, you want to study daily?
Ma'am, now is slot 4.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, there are 2 days.
3.
What?
Ma'am, there are 2 days holiday.
It's not about holiday, beta. Tomorrow is a working day for teachers. For you, it is going to be a holiday, but teachers have to work, no? They have to meet parents, they have to show their results. Your parents will talk to your teachers, the teachers are going to solve queries of parents. It is not an off for teachers, but it is just a relaxation for students. That's all. And Sunday is a holiday. Sunday is a holiday. Sunday we will be working.
My parents go at 8 o'clock, so they are not able to attend.
Beta, what does your mother do?
Ma'am, my parents are teachers
They are
in
teachers.
government school.
Okay, so they can attend the meeting from there. They have Zoom in their phones.
Yes.
They have Zoom app, so
Yes,
they can
ma'am.
attend the meeting from there.
My father don't have.
But your mother can attend. One of the parents has to attend the meeting. Anyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Mother can attend.
Okay,
Tell her to
ma'am.
attend it from there only. Whenever she is comfortable, she gets time, she gets a free period, she can attend it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
my mother also go to school. She can also attend from there.
Yes. Okay. Now next.
Ma'am,
Next what? Okay, now children, tell me, you want to do this SST chapter or you want to do something for the CT class?
Ma'am, CT
Ma'am,
class.
CT.
ma'am, CT class.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
CT.
We have been doing creative writing from such a long time, right? For such a long time, we are doing creative writing. We have written so many different things, isn't it? So by now, you have that idea of how to write anything, on any topic that you are given. So let's just take up a very simple topic today. Your topic is how I spent my holidays. You got these 5 days holidays right after your exams, right?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
were fully relaxed.
Yes,
You were fully
ma'am.
relaxed. You were totally on a break. No studies, no homework, nothing.
No, ma'am, I study in my holidays also.
Yes?
Ma'am, I study in my holiday also.
My God, you studied in your holidays also. Why so?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I also.
Ma'am, I also study.
Ma'am, I have completed my pending work.
Ma'am, I also.
Okay, so what
No,
you
ma'am, also study.
what you're going to do, just take out your rough copies and on a piece of paper, everybody will write down 10 points of what you did. You obviously every day was not same. You did different things on different days, on these 5 days. So starting from Sunday, 1st of August, what was your routine? Then on Monday, Tuesday, etc. Write down 10 points each and then you're going to read. Till then, I'm going to mark your attendance. Clear to everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
Start.
Okay, ma'am.
And if you don't know anything in between, you can ask me.
Ma'am, written. Ma'am, I have written.
You have written 10 points, Rishabh?
Yes, ma'am.
So, how can that be possible, beta?
Ma'am, I
Write
have
it nicely.
written.
No, Rishabh, no. You have to write, you have to explain it nicely. It's not about writing, I danced, I ate, I jumped, I slept, I woke up. Not like that. You have to tell it in your routine. That in the evenings, I used to do this. Before going to bed, my routine used to be this. Like that. Explain it nicely.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
What?
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Go, beta, go.
Ma'am, I can write my heading paragraph on my holidays.
Yes, you can write how I spent my holidays. How I spent my holidays. Dhruv Singh, start doing your work. Stop playing.
Ma'am, I have written.
Very good, Pratyaksh. Let's wait for others to write.
Ma'am, I can write it in a paragraph or an essay.
Yes, you can write it point wise also. You can write it in the paragraph also.
Ma'am, Ma'am, I have done.
Yes. Okay. Very good, beta. Children done?
I'm done.
How many are still doing?
Ma'am also done.
You have also done. Very good. Where is Stuti? I can't see Stuti in this class. She was there in the previous class, no?
Ma'am, she will not join today any classes, no SST class and not a
Why?
single lecture.
Why?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Then why are you saying that she will not join?
Ma'am, I see today she will not joining the class.
Oh, Mishti, how do you speak? Say, today she didn't join the class. You're saying today
Ma'am, she
will not.
didn't join today's class.
Yes, she didn't join the class today. And you're saying she will
I
not
have
join today?
completed.
कि वो आज join करेगी ही नहीं. है ना? There's a difference. Atharv Singh was present in the morning class. Okay, he's present now also. Dhruv was present.
Mishti Mishra present also, ma'am.
Okay, Harsh Patel is present. No, Harsh is not there. Okay, Shirsh Beta, you are going to give me the attendance at the end of the day, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Very less students are present.
Ma'am, I was also present, Pratyat.
What?
Ma'am, I was also present in previous class,
Yes, Beta. Yes, I know.
Ma'am, I have presented in both classes.
Yes.
Ma'am, I
Both the class.
Ma'am, I have written.
You have written 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay.
I have completed my work. Ma'am, can I speak? Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, Beta. Yes, you can speak.
My first day holiday. I wake up and take a bath, then I study.
Okay, wait.
And
Now everybody see here. As you people speak, देखो, we are talking about 5 days holidays. ठीक है बेटा? 5 days holidays जो थी वो चली गई ना, खत्म हो गई, right? हम past tense की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? हम किसी चीज की बात कर रहे हैं जो past है. We are not living in the present now. We are not talking about the present. So we have to narrate this thing in past tense only. ठीक है सार्थक? बेटा past tense और present tense आपने इंग्लिश में पढ़ा है, इंग्लिश ग्रामर में?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. What do you say? What is the past tense of take?
Ma'am, took.
Took. What is the past tense of wake? I wake up.
Ma'am, woke.
Woke up.
Ma'am,
Very good. What is the past tense of eat?
ma'am, ate.
Ate. I ate. What is the past tense of go?
Ma'am, goes.
No. Went. I went.
Ma'am, went.
Yes. So Sarthak, now make this correction. All of you, not only Sarthak, because everyone has this habit of making this mistake. When we are talking about something that has happened in the past, we have to use past tense. In my holidays, I enjoyed a lot. Not I enjoy a lot, I enjoyed a lot. I used to, or I woke up, like that. I used to get up in the morning at 10 o'clock, at 9 o'clock. Okay, Sarthak, now read. Start reading. We'll do the correction simultaneously.
My first holiday, I woke up and took a bath, then I studied and played some indoor games. Then I went to play with my friends and come back to my home. Then I took a bath and ate my dinner and go to bed. My second day. Mama, I also do this only the second day.
Okay, listen. Now children, see, there is a difference. जब हम ये बात कहते हैं कि मैंने ऐसा काम किया, I did this, ठीक है? We use past tense. But अगर आपको कोई चीज डिस्क्राइब करनी है कि मैं ऐसा करता था अपनी हॉलीडेज में, मैं ऐसा करता था, मैं अपनी हॉलीडेज में वहां जाता था, मैं पार्क में जाता था. Okay, something that used to happen in a normal course, in a daily course, आपका routine बन गया था. Then what kind of a language we use in that case? I used to go to the park daily. I used to. Everybody see in the chat box what I'm writing. In my holidays, I used to go to the park in the evening. Okay, now see what we have done is we have put the word used in the past tense. I used to go. Okay, मैं जाता था. Now don't get confused कि मैम आपने यहाँ go तो present tense में लगाया है. मैंने go इसलिए present tense में लगाया because I have put used in the past tense. I used to go to the park in the evening. I used to help out my mother in the kitchen. I used to play with my friends in the morning. Like that. जो चीज रोज होती थी, ठीक है, एक रूटीन में होती थी, और सपोज कभी आपने कोई एक ऐसा काम किया जो कि अनयूजुअल था, जो डेली नहीं आप करते थे, उसके लिए व्हाट काइंड ऑफ लैंग्वेज आर यू गोइंग टू यूज? यू विल से आई ऑल्सो वेंट टू द टेम्पल ऑन मंडे. Okay, I also did something, and if you did anything unusual that was not a part of your daily routine, then you are going to use this. Is that fine? Beta, your language matters a lot when you write. Your tenses, your formation of sentences, it matters a lot. If you don't use your verbs in correct tense, everything goes wrong. Like Mishti just said right now, she will not be present today. I thought that she is not going to attend any of the class. But what Mishti wanted to say, she wanted to say that she has not attended any class till now. There's a difference now. Your sentence changes. Right? Mishti wanted to say कि स्तुति ने अभी तक मैम क्लास नहीं अटेंड की है, और उसका सेंटेंस क्या बन गया टेंस चेंज करते ही कि वो क्लास नहीं अटेंड करेगी. That is why I asked, how do you know that she will not attend the class? Okay, so be very careful when you use tenses. Clear? Now Sarthak, read beta.
Ma'am, I used to do this only on Fridays.
I used to.
Ma'am, I used to do this only on my holidays.
Very nice, very nice. Now see, absolutely your sentence is correct. Ma'am, I used to do this only in my holidays. Very good. मैं यही करता था अपनी holidays में. Okay, let's see now what Zoya has written. How Zoya has written.
Ma'am, I have not written.
You have not written. Okay, who has written? Tell me. Who has written?
Ma'am, I have written Pratyak.
Okay, Pratyak, start reading.
Ma'am, I used to woke up at 7 o'clock. Then
Now
I took
see,
brush.
listen, Pratyaksh, slowly, beta, slowly. I used to wake up. To के साथ हम कभी past tense नहीं लगाते. I used to wake up. हमने use लगा दिया ना past tense में. अब आप इसके साथ present tense लगाओगे. Okay?
I used to
Yes.
wake up.
Very good.
I took brush and take bath. I studied in Manat. I play little bit mobile game or watch television. I do lunch. I take a short nap. I go to play. I come and do my homework. Then I go to bed and play with my sister. Then we bath, drink milk, and then we sleep. And this routine is continue in another day.
Okay, very nice. The same routine continued for all 5 days. But again, Pratyaksh, you corrected your first sentence, but later on you spoke everything in the present tense, which made it a little wrong. Okay, tenses are to be taken care of. Fine. Next, Shirsh, are you going to read?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, read.
I woke up after that. I drink milk, get fresh, brush teeth, take a bath, and rest 1 minute. Then I watch TV. After that, I play with my sister. And again, I watch TV. Then I go to play. After coming back, I wash my hands. Then I watch TV, eat dinner, go to sleep. And follow this routine every day.
I followed the same routine every day. Okay. So you did not do you did not do anything different? Any special
No,
thing in
ma'am.
these 5 holidays? Nobody did any
No,
special
ma'am.
thing? No. Okay, fine. Now who else will read? Athar Singh. You will read?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
I woke up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. Then I take a bath. Then I eat my breakfast. Then I study half hour. Then I play for some time. Then I again study for half hour. Then I eat lunch at 12:40. I take a rest. Then I wake up at 5:30. Then I study for 1 hour. After study, I go to play. At 7 o'clock, then I come back. Then I study 8 o'clock to 8:30. Then I eat food. Then I study for 1 hour. Then I go to sleep.
Okay, beta. Fine. Anyone else wants to read out? Arav Solanki, Mishti Mishra, Manas Garg. Why are your cameras off, children? Everybody open your cameras. Yuvraj, Yajat, Manas, Zoya.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, start writing. You know how it is to be written. Manas Garg, Mishti Mishra, are you not there in the class? Yes, are you not there?
No, ma'am. I am here.
What, beta? What are you saying?
I have write the last paragraph.
Okay. Read, Mishti, read what you have written. Let's see.
No, ma'am, I am not done.
You have not done. What about, yes, Vikas? You want to read, Vikas?
I used to wake up at 8:30 daily. I do breakfast at 9 a.m. Then I play till 10 a.m. Then I do my pending work of school at 10 a.m. Then I do my lunch at 12 a.m. Sorry, 12 p.m. Then I rest till 3:30 p.m. Then I drink some tea or some time I eat Maggie. Then I go to my tuition class at 4 till 5:30 p.m. Then I play from 5:30 p.m. and then I watch TV till 7 p.m. and then I do my lunch at 7:30 p.m. and then I study till 9 p.m. and then I sleep. And this is my daily routine.
Okay. Very nice, beta. Now, Vikas, you wrote it very well. But again, just put the word used to. I used to, I used to, I used to. Then it will be absolutely correct. Okay.
And I read Rishabh Kumar, I have not read.
Yes, Rishabh, read.
Okay, ma'am. I woke up in morning at I woke up at morning at 5:30 and I go to play at 5 at 6 a.m. and I come on my home at 6
Used to
8
return.
a.m.
Okay, beta. I
7
used
a.m.
to return home at 7 a.m.
I used to return home at 7 a.m. When I bought at 8 a.m. 7:30 and when I return come after bath, so I watch TV and I eat my breakfast at 9 o'clock. When I study for 9:30 to 11 a.m. When I watch some TV and I eat my food at and 12:40 and I eat and I sleep rest at 8:30 rest at 1 p.m. So I go to tuition at 4 a.m. and I return come on my home at 5 a.m. 5 p.m. and I go to play at 5:30 p.m. and I return come on home by 7 p.m. and I take bath. I take bath at 7:30 and after bath I watch TV. I I watch TV for sometimes and study to 10 study to 9 and I have my dinner at 9 a.m. 9 p.m. and I do study 9:30 p.m. and I sleep at 12:40. I sleep at 12:40 p.m.
You used to sleep at 12:40. So late at night, Rishabh.
Ma'am, one time I do this. So, ma'am, one more I study to 2 hours in night.
You studied for 2 hours.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, ever that happened, I sleep at 12:40, but I cannot sleep, so I study.
Okay, very nice. Good. All right, Manas, now you also wanted to read beta? Yes, read.
Ma'am, the class is over.
It will be over in 3 minutes. Yes, Manas, start beta.
I'm in these 5 days. And go 8 o'clock to, and then I take my brush, then I take my bath, then I take my breakfast, and then I watch TV for
Then I play. Then I go to the lunch at 2 a.m. to 2:30 a.m. Then I sleep for 1 hour to 2:30 a.m. to 3:30 a.m. Then I wake up, then I drink the tea, and then I do the study at uh, 7 7:45 p.m. to 8:40 p.m. Then I then I my then I do my dinner at 8 8:10 to 9 8:10 to 8:30 p.m. Then I do the study after sleep.
Okay. Now, good manners. Now, children, next time if you get to write anything on any such topic, so see, these holidays, these 5 days holidays was a break given to you for what? For a little relaxation, for a little change, right? It was given for that only, so that you can have a little break time from your studies and all. So how you're going to describe these kind of things is that in my holidays, I had a relaxed time, right? No, none of you used the words relaxed, relieved, no stress, nothing from studies, right? Did you use? No, none of you used these kind of words. So if you would give me this kind of a topic, how I'm going to describe how I'm going to tell you how I spent my holidays, I'll be telling you that I had a very good time. I had a very relaxed time. There was no tension to wake up early in the morning. Were you all tensed about you have to wake up early in the morning? Like how you are a little worried in your usual days, in your usual school days? Yes, your parents tell you go and sleep, you have to wake up in the morning. Don't they say so? But in your holidays, I don't think anyone did that. Are your parents worried in your holidays? No, they are not. They are also relaxed.